everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's exciting. UPS just brought me a brand new rice cooker. Now this one's a little smaller than my old one, but I'm looking forward to giving you a review. Comes with some instructions and coupons and a cup here. You fill this up with rice and then you fill it up with water. It looks like it's made out of a spun pressed aluminum and says 1 cup on it, which should be enough for 2 people. That's nice, and has a vent on the lid. So we'll go ahead and put 1 cup of water in here, and we'll put our rice in here. And you can use any kind of rice, either white or dark rice in this little rascal. You just shake it like that. I'll put it over here out of the way, plug it in, and on the front of it, it has a little switch. You push down on the switch and it'll pop up when it's all done. Now the rice. So for the rice, I need to add in, and I can bring the rice cooker over where you can see it. It's hot. Let's get this Romesto sauce in here. This is basically a tomato sauce, but the rest of the ingredients are just awesome. I really like the taste of it because it has olive in it. It's like Hussein sauce in Chinese. You know, I like that olive taste that it has. And the currants. You can't go wrong with raisins. Now I just put my lid back on this just to keep the moisture in, even though it's turned off. It turns off automatically when it's done. See, it's in the warm mode now. You can see it has a warm light on. This is hot, but wow, does it smell delicious. I have a pot holder. I like to keep that lid closed for a little bit and just steam those raisins, softens them up, rehydrates them. Some recipes you soak them in water to rehydrate them. I think we're going to go ahead and say thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. The question of the day is, let us know if you like zucchini. If you like zucchini, hit that thumbs up button and we'll count to see how many people like zucchini. We have about 12,000 views right now. So hit that thumbs up button. Everybody subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to be reminded when more shows come out. And we look forward to seeing everybody soon. Goodbye for now.